Ladies and gentlemen, we're out here representing the United States of America. We're fronting Mr. Jeffrey Howard's building, the Walking Horse Report. He's a celebration director. He asked Jackie McConnell to come back. Mr. Howard makes millions and millions of dollars on this big league animal cruelty. The Shelbyville people going by are honking their horns. They're waving. They're supporting us. We're the people. CCABLAC, you support us. Let's join together. We've got lots going on with this. Let's call Mr. Howard. The instructions are on the Facebook page. Leave him a message. Let him know we the people. Abolish this big lick animal cruelty. Do it as soon as possible.